back to my video. I'm sorry, we just got finished ordering, and like I said, I am going to see this from after I broke the showing. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna rip right here where it says. Okay, here we go. Just rip that. The part for it. And you have a T-Rex head in the slime. And then, wonder what's in here. I wonder what's in this. What's in this? Maybe a dinosaur foot or leg. And another one of those feels lava slime. It's lava slime. Lava slime. Are there any other items? That looks like all. Does it look like all to you? It does? Okay, let's open. What should we start with first? Should we start with the lava slime or the mini light up dino? The mini light up dino? I agree. Okay, let's rip it. Here it is. Looks like a little. Is this the body, maybe? What do y'all think it is? The body? I think it's the body as well. Now let's open the lava slime. The lava slime. Rip. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. Yes. Whoa! The lava slime is so cool. Am I gonna show y'all? Yeah, I'll show y'all. Looks like this orange. Woo! So cool. I feel something. It's one of the dinosaur parts. One of the dinosaur parts out of the lava slime. Oh, did you see that? It's a little foot. Looks like one. This is very sticky. Very sticky. How sticky is this? Ah. We'll get this back inside. Okay, I'm putting it back inside of the bag. It's hard. And it's sticky. Put it on. Dad, what's up? I got y'all. Don't worry. Okay. Let's place our items. This. Same legs. Ah. Very, very sticky. Woo. Got most of it. Yep, it fits. Now let's see the other part. What? What? This leg is full of stickiness. There we go. Got the leg. Got another leg off. Okay, attach it to this side. Okay, see some other items in there. Got something. It's the arm. We got an arm. Well, Pete, we got somebody's arm. We got a dinosaur arm. Whoop. Okay. Now, which one? I think I would go on this side. I think I did the wrong side. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry guys, I went to the wrong side. That one. So far we've got this. We've got this. Okay, now, oh, I see something else. Let me get it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, got another one. And rip. Got this arm. Yeah. Okay, now let's attach. Woo! There's one more item, I think. Woo! I found this little item. I think I might have found where it goes. Look how sticky my hands are. Okay. Finish the lava slime. Lava slime is very sticky. This is how sticky my hands got. Then put it in this bag. Okay, got that. Got that sealed. Okay. Now that we got the lava slime all finished and the mini light up, let's see the slime. This is gonna be fun, you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's rip, tear, and have fun. And got it. Here we go. Rippy, rip, rip. Yeah. This is hard. Yeah. Almost. Mine, could you help me with this? I need your help with this. I can't open this.
You want to open this in the car? I can't wait till we get home. It's like a jelly.
And that's my sister, Mariah. And
I bet you had a head full.
my mom.
I believe it. I believe it.
Well, I wore a hat for 30 years shoeing horses, so I guess it decided I didn't like it, and some of it later. You have to take all the choices.
Boo. And for a reminder, don't comment down below. Have you got one of these? Have you got one of these? And what animal did you get? Ma'am, I'm still on my video, and because I'm trying to open this, but I'm trying to open this one, can't get it.